Hello friends, welcome back to JP Study Corner. Today we are going to see list of Prime Ministers of India from 1947 to 2021. Jawaharlal Nehru, he is the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14 November 1889. He was the member of Indian National Congress. He served 16 years and 286 days as the Prime Minister of India. He was died on 27 May 1964. He was known as the maker of modern India. Gulzarilal Nanda. He was the first acting Prime Minister of India. He also the member of Indian National Congress. He served 13 days as the acting Prime Minister of India. He was died on 15 January 1998. Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was the second Prime Minister of India. He was born on 2nd October 1904. He was the member of Indian National Congress and he served 1 year 216 days as the Prime Minister of India. He promoted the White Revolution. He was died on 11 January 1966. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi served as the third Prime Minister of India and she was first and only female Prime Minister of India till date. She was born on 9 November 1917. She served 15 years 350 days as the Indian Prime Minister. She was died on 31st October 1984. Morarji Ranjotji Desai. He was the fourth Prime Minister of India, born on 29 February 1896. He was the member of Janata Party. He served 2 years 120 days as the Indian Prime Minister. He is famous for his peace activism. He has died on 10 April 1995. Chaudhary Charan Singh. He was the fifth Prime Minister of India, born on 23 December 1902. He was the member of Janata Party. He served 170 days as the Prime Minister of India and died on 29 May 1987. Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi served as the sixth and youngest Prime Minister of India, born on 20 August 1944. He served 5 years 32 days as the Prime Minister of India, died on 21st May 1991. Bishwanath Pratap Singh. He was the seventh Prime Minister of India, born on 25 June 1931. He was the member of Jan Morcha Party. He served 343 days as the Indian Prime Minister, died on 27 November 2008. Chandrasekhar. He was the 8th Prime Minister of India, born on 1st July 1927. He served 223 days as the Prime Minister of India. He was the member of Samajwadi Janata Party and died on 8 July 2007. Narasimha Rao. He served as the 9th Prime Minister of India. He was born on 28 June 1921. He was the member of Indian National Congress. He served 4 years 330 days as the Prime Minister of India, died on 23 December 2004. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He served as the 10th Prime Minister of India, born on 25 December 1924. He was the member of Bharatiya Janata Party. He served 6 years 80 days as the Indian Prime Minister, died on 16 August 2018. Deva Gowda. He served as the 11th Prime Minister of India. He was born in the year 1933. He is the member of Janata Dal. He served 324 days as the Indian Prime Minister. Inder Kumar Gujral. He is the 12th Prime Minister of India, born on 4 December 1919. He was the member of Janata Dal. He served 332 days as the Indian Prime Minister, died on 30 November 2012. Manmohan Singh. He served as the 13th Prime Minister of India, born on 26 September 1932. He is the member of Indian National Congress. He served 10 years, 4 days as the Indian Prime Minister. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. He is the current and 14th Prime Minister of India since 2014. Born on 11 September 1950. He is the member of Bharatiya Janata Party. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014. He is the first Prime Minister born after independence. Hope this video very helpful for you. If you feel the same, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you.